What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing to my channel. And while you're at it, smash that like button for me. I really would appreciate it. Also, hit that post notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. If you want up to 60 free stocks, Moomoo is going to give you up to 60 free stocks when you open a new Moomoo brokerage account. You put $100 in that brokerage account, they're going to give you 5 free stocks. You put $2,000 in that brokerage account, they're going to give you 25 free stocks. And if you decide to put at least $5,000 in that brokerage account, they're going to give you 60 free stocks. Limited time offer, so don't delay. Act today. Get yourself down to the description box. First link, click on that Moomoo link. Open up that Moomoo account today. Go get that free stock. I will also send you 2 Moomoo tutorial videos to walk you through how to use the Moomoo brokerage app. All you got to do is send me an email through my website, www.richardfain.net. Second link down in the description box. Let me know you opened the Moomoo account. Let me know you funded it, and I'm going to send you out those free Moomoo tutorial videos. Today, guys, is a good day. The market, in my opinion, is poised to go higher. And the reason I say that is because all the optimism and, euphoria around the U.S.-China trade deal. Currently, as I make this video, the United States trade team is in London, England, meeting with the Chinese trade team, trying to iron out a deal. And guys, if that deal gets ironed out, I think it will be a catalyst to send the market higher. And I want to put myself in position to be able to take advantage of that incredible opportunity. So what am I doing? I'm planting seeds. I'm planting seeds in my favorite companies, the ones that I believe give me the best opportunity to build wealth and create passive income. So, what does that sound like? Well, I call them big boy blue chips. And the reason I call them big boy blue chips is because they have a historical track record of multiplying money. Now, nothing's guaranteed, right? Anytime we, plant a seed, we want to get a harvest, but we don't always get a harvest. I planted a little seed yesterday and didn't get a harvest. I had to start all over again. But every now and then I experience that. But for the most part, when I plant seeds, I've done my homework. I've made sure that that particular seed that I planted and the location that I planted it, there's been a harvest before. So all I can tell you to do, guys, is get yourself in position so that you're able to plant you some seeds and reap your harvest. See, the whole key here, man, is passive income. And if you don't have passive income in your life at some point, then in my opinion, from a financial standpoint, you're not independent. And I'm gonna tell you guys that every single day I'm able to on this YouTube channel, that you gotta get yourself some financial independence. But you won't have it unless you get yourself out here, earn some money, and then take that money and put it in something that can multiply it. I've chose 3 investments to do that for me. The first investment I've chose is SPLG, which is a ETF that tracks the S&P 500. Now you go out and do your homework on it and see what you think of it. But in my perspective, it's done extremely well. I started buying SPLG back in early 2024. And I think at that point, it was in the low $50 per share range. And right now, over the last, 18 months or so, it has worked itself up to about $70 a share. So not a bad investment for me. It's a long-term investment. So what do? I just dollar cost average in every single month, every single year for the next 9 years, looking for that passive income, right? And the next one is what they call FTEC, which is an information technology ETF that tracks the information technology sector. Now, I started buying that one the same time I started buying SPLG. And at the time when I started buying it, like I said, about 18 months or so ago, it was trading in the low $150 per share range. I believe around 153. And when I looked at it yesterday, because it's a long-term investment, I looked at it yesterday just to check up on it. It was around $189 per share. Remember, I've been dollar cost averaging into this thing over the last 18 months or so. So I'm pretty happy with SPLG. I'm pretty happy with FTEC and the performance, even with the bumpy road in 2025 with the tariff war and all that stuff, right? And then the third one is actually individual stocks, but not just any individual stocks. They're called the Magnificent Seven. So I started buying the Magnificent Seven actually back in late 2023 is when I started talking about it on the YouTube channel, letting you guys know that's something that I'm on the short list and that I'm watching. So for you folks that are not familiar with the Magnificent Seven, here are the companies: Apple, Microsoft, Meta, Amazon, Alphabet, Nvidia, and Tesla. Those are the Magnificent Seven. So I started buying those companies, like I said, back in 2023, late 2023. And the reason I started buying them was I just thought, hey, if I'm going to buy individual stocks, I need to go out and find the very best of the very best. And in my opinion, no financial advice or nothing like that, guys, just in my opinion, those seven are probably your very best. Now, recently, I've decided not to buy any more Tesla, right? Because I have a fundamental belief system that's different than the CEO of Tesla. So I've decided not to buy any more Tesla, and I've taken Tesla out of my Magnificent Seven and replaced it with Palantir. Now, some of you might say, well, Palantir is blah, 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 blah. Listen, man, Palantir, in my opinion, is positioned to do big things. Now, if the CEO of Palantir, starts saying stuff that I disagree in my belief system, then I won't buy any more Palantir. But right now, that hadn't happened. So I've replaced Tesla with Palantir. So you got SPLG, big boy ETF. You got FTEC, big boy ETF. And then you got the Magnificent Seven. That's the long-term portfolio, and I call it Wealth Transfer Blueprint 1.0. So that's how I'm rocking, man, right now, and I'm loving it, and I'm gonna continue rocking with that setup for the next 9 years, unless something drastically changes, which right now it hasn't. So I'm gonna rock with it. Drop down in the comments what your strategy is, what you rocking with, where you plant seeds, looking for that harvest. The ultimate harvest is passive income, right? So what you rocking with? Drop it down in the comments. I would love to know that. If you want up to 60 free stocks from Moo, you guys know what to do. Get yourself down in the description box. First link, which is the Moo link. Moo is offering some free stock when you open up your new Moo brokerage account and you deposit some money in it. All the details are in the link, guys. So click on the link, make you a deposit, and go get you some free stock. www.richardfade.net is the website address. I got 10 big boy blue chip digital products that I think can help you with your financial literacy. In turn, I think it can help you be better money manager. The better we are at managing our money, guys, the better we are of having money left over at the end of the month where we can plant some seeds to get that financial freedom, get that passive income. So check out them digital products in the website. See if anything's right for you. But while you're in the website, consider joining the Wealth Builders, the fastest growing financial community on Patreon. Guys, we got about 2,000 wealth builders in our financial community, and all we do in there is, talk about building wealth long-term and getting to that financial freedom thing and creating passive income for ourselves, because we know once we can create that passive income, we got some financial independence. So if you want to be a part of a group like that, consider joining the Wealth Builders. In the website, just click on the join button, the membership button. It'll take you over to Patreon and sign up. Come join us. We'd love to talk with you and ask you some questions, and you can ask us some questions about building wealth. And now you got a team on your side that has a vested interest in trying to help you get to your freedom. Like I said, just click on that join button, that membership button. It'll take you over to Patreon. Sign up and come join us. We'd love to have you. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing. Share the video. Smash the like button. Thoughts become things. You can see it in your mind. You can hold it in your hands. You guys keep chasing your greatness. Never stop believing in yourself. Stay healthy, get wealthy, and I'll catch you on the next video. Peace.